Yeah, I'm good.
I'm staying a little back more.
Why?
Okay.
The eject of the casing.
Oh yeah. It's like no kick to it at all. I don't even know if I hit the target. Pop off 15 and...
Let me take a couple out of there.
Let me adjust my mic.
Press that button.
I'll just shoot a couple. Press what button?
That side. Yep. Hit it in the safety. Quick out.
She cracks.
There's some in there still.
Oh yeah.
It's safe though. Fuck yeah, dude, that thing.
Yeah, my ears are
Yeah,
ringing.
I can't hear nothing.
The popping on this mic is going to be insane. I was maxing out. I turned it down and it's still maxing out.
Oh, I can smell that burnt oil and everything.
It's got no kick, obviously,
Fuck
but
no.
Is that all the rounds you got?
Yeah.
that was fun.
Well, did you like it?
Fuck yeah.
Look at the gun.
Fuck yeah. What caliber is that?
5.56. Yeah. I just want to check that target out. Well, I think it... Was that in the middle there like that?
Where?
Or was that from us?
What?
Those holes
Those
in the
holes? I
middle,
don't
in
know.
between the targets?
I don't know.
I was aiming at the left target.
I was aiming at the left, but then I opened up on the right.
I know that it's not sighted in, so...
Too bad we couldn't tell what was ours. You know?
I think these are ours. I think those were there before.
Oh, the bigger ones?
Yeah, they're bigger ones.
And these little ones?
Little
yeah,
daddy.
these weren't us.
No, those are too big. Right here, I think. I was shooting a couple at this. But you can't tell. Oh well.
Did you shoot at this one at all?
Yeah, I shot at that one and I switched to that one and... Oh, I should hit the cousin subs.
Oh, the can.
Damn it. I don't got any more ammo with me. I got some more, but...
For another day. That was fun.
I just want to shoot some more.
I felt like we were over in Iraq for a minute there. What it would be like for shooting people.
There's no kick to it at all.
No, no.
Badass. It doesn't matter, because I'm not using it anyways. That's how you adjust it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Minutes.
10 minutes to drive here.
10 minutes.
Okay, like 15 minutes to drive here. Less than 2 minutes to pop them off.
I don't care. I just wanted to shoot it.
No, that's fine. It's fun.